What's going on, Trading Gang? It's your boy Nikki Pips. We're back at it again with another Sunday night market breakdown for you guys. So I'm excited to do this. I haven't done one, I think, in the last week or so, because I wasn't feeling well. So we're back at it. Still not 100%. I'm like about 95%, but just a little congested. But we're back at it. We're ready for a new week. So we got a few minutes before we fully start. So for y'all that are popping on, show some love in the chat, and we'll get started here shortly. So I hope everybody's had a great weekend so far. Hope you guys have had some profits so far. We're literally in our third month of the new year. So I hope you guys are making some progress. If not, that's okay. You know, there's still plenty of time in the year to be able to make some change, you know, get more disciplined, whatever it is for you. And just know if you are struggling right now, it's understandable. The markets are just crazy right now because of everything going on around the world. This war with Iran right now is just turning the market upside down. It's really pretty much tanking it, really, for most pairs. You know, there's a lot of sellers in the market. It's pushing price further down. So same thing with gold, with US30. So of course we'll take a look at that here in a minute. Let me bring my screen up, or share my screen. All right. So this is the 4-hour chart right here. I noticed it was crazy right at market open this evening. Of course, price was consolidated right here, and then it literally opened and then literally pushed all the way down here. And it's crazy because I actually had this area marked up, this 46,400 level, and it literally tapped it to a T. So it's kind of crazy to see, which of course, if I go on a higher time frame here, the reason why I marked it was because we had a level of demand right here. So I also have another demand here at 45,300. So I believe this is 45,300. Hold on. Or no, 45,780. So this could be our next level as price continues to keep pushing down. So we got more levels here that price can test these lows right here. So we're gonna mark up some of those because all last week we were super bearish. So all right, we'll get into it. Say what up to my boy Gold Collector. What's going on, bro? Appreciate you popping on, man. So let's clear this out, and I'm gonna show you guys how I break down my charts. So keep it super simple. So we're gonna go to the weekly. We're gonna do kind of like a top-down analysis. So of course we're gonna mark up the high. So our all-time high is at 50,609. So we're definitely gonna mark that up. So I'm gonna do like 610 just because I like round numbers. This is gonna be our all-time high. And then we want to always mark up last week's previous high and low. So last week's previous high and low, we can see here on this candle, which was March 2nd. That was last week. So we're going to do just that. So of course I'm doing this on the weekly. So We may have to go down to the daily just so we can see a little bit more accurateness, but we're going to do it on the weekly. So we're at 49,160. So that's not bad. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to put previous PW, previous weekly high. Alright, so that's that. And then we're going to mark up our previous weekly low. So we want to try to get as accurate to that wick as possible. Let me turn this off. Alright, so we're at, we'll do 47,035. So we'll copy this. Previous weekly low. All right, so we got our previous weekly high, previous weekly low. So the price is just dumping as we're going through this. That's crazy. So we want to mark up our supply and demand area also. So of course we can see here, even on a 4 hour, it even looks even better. So I like to always mark this up. So I put a box around it. So this is going to be our supply zone right here, and then we have a demand zone. So because regardless, if the price continues to keep pulling down, price could actually bounce off another one of these levels, say for instance this low right here, and literally retest and come right back up. So we just gotta watch out for that. So we're gonna also mark up some other areas here on the daily because we do have some other lows here. So I'm gonna mark up this low right here because this is probably gonna be tapped into. So we have 45,727. And here I just kind of put the range in here. So I don't put like previous weekly low or anything like that. I just put the number in there just so I know what levels we can hit. So this could very well happen also because we can see here, even though we haven't fully tapped it, but we're very close to a supply area here. So this could very well happen as well. But we're mainly looking, because we're in a downtrend, we're looking for demand zone. So sometimes we do tap into previous supply zones, but for this, we're going to look for demand zone. So this is another one right here. So 43,447, so we'll do 45. Cool. So we have that, and then I'll just do one more. Just so, because we could tap, we could come down all the way down here. So I'll do 105. There you go. So this is pretty much how I mark up my chart for the week. Just super simple. When we go throughout the week, we always want to look where prior levels went. So of course, like Asia high, London high, London low, stuff like that, because a lot of times price will literally take out London high, like on New York session open, it'll literally push up, take out London high, and then literally continue to keep pushing down. So that's why lately I've been waiting like 10 to 15 minutes after market open. So because it'll take liquidity or it'll tap into a certain area and then it'll continue going in the direction that it wants to go in. So it's main direction. I'm going to mark up the all-time high right here. All right. So here we go. So this is what we're looking at right now. All right, let me close that. So we can see we have a huge downtrend right now. So even on the daily. So we broke structure here. So and then we broke structure here as well. We took out this low, and then we're almost going to take out this low also. So we'll see if we have a continued push up, because the overall trend, of course, we can see here is bullish. But if we break this low right here, then we're definitely going to be looking for sells, even more so. So because we have a huge break of structure right here. So this was a major level. The last time this level was broke was November 21st. So that was a while ago. So we could very well break this. So, but I'm excited. Just personally for myself, if you guys have been following me, we passed the 50K challenge last week. So we're fully funded now. So of course we're going to be trading that account. And I also have 2 new 50K account challenges also. So we're going to be trading those as well. And we will be trading them separately. So this is pretty much it for the breakdown. But let me take this off. So again, I'm excited to trade the funded account and the 2 challenge accounts, and we're going to get those funded as well. And then we have 2 more challenges that we have to purchase to have a total of 5 and get those funded as well. Once we have a total of 5 funded challenges, then we're going to really step it up. Our goal is to get profit of $300 to $500 per day. That's all we're really looking for. Because if we can do that and do that consistently on a weekly basis, even if we take some small losses, I mean, we can have some $5,000 weeks, $10,000 weeks. So that is the goal. So, but I'm excited for this funded account as well. We're going to try to get some payouts from that as well. So of course, fund the other accounts and get these other 2 challenge accounts funded as well. So if you guys want to trade with me in the morning, I trade every day market open, at least for the first hour or so, every day pretty much. So we'll be starting that back tomorrow like usual. So if you guys want to tap in with me tomorrow morning, I usually pop on 10 minutes before market open, and you guys can trade live with me. So definitely follow me on my Instagram as well, Nikki_pips. It'll be in the description as well. That's where I post all my trades, wins, losses, you name it, for the day. So appreciate you guys popping on. Hope you guys got some value out of this quick breakdown that we did. And I'm excited to see what the market's going to give us this week. So tap in with me tomorrow morning. All right, y'all. Peace.